Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about addition of fraction numbers. Addition of fraction numbers. Here, first number 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Here the denominators are same. Denominators are same. Then we can simply add the numerator 1 plus 3 divided by, put the denominator here, 4 by 2. The answer is 2. Okay. When we add two fraction with the denominator same, then we simply add the numerators and put the denominator. Okay. Numerator 1 plus 3 by 2. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 by 2, 2. Okay. Then next question. 2 by 7 plus 4 by 7. Here also the denominators are same. In 2 by 7, 2 is the numerator, 7 is the denominator. Here 4 is the numerator and 7 is the denominator. Both denominators are same. Then we simply add the numerator. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 by 7. 6 by 7 is the answer. So, addition of two fraction numbers with the denominator same, we can simply add the numerator. Here 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2, we get what? 1 plus 3, 4. 4 by 2. The next question. We can take 2 by 9 plus 5 by 9. Here also denominators are same. 9, 2 plus 5, 7. 7 by 9. This type of addition, that is the numerator, the different numerator with the same denominator. The same denominator with a different numerator. We can simply add the numerators and put the denominator. Okay. Then we get 1 plus 3 here, 1 plus 3, 4 by 2 here, 2 plus 4, 6, and put the denominator. Here also 2 plus 5 and put the denominator. Thank you.